Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Today, I want to hit you guys with a special unboxing, but this just isn't any unboxing. This is a birthday unboxing. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in a galaxy far, far away, a very long time ago, on this very day, my mother gave birth to me. February 16th is my birthday. And first and foremost, I want to thank God for blessing me with another year. I want to thank my wife. I want to thank my mother and father, because without them, this day wouldn't be possible. And I want to thank you, the fam, the followers, the supporters, all my day ones, everyone who pull up every time I drop new content. Peace and love to you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the show. If you're a regular, welcome back. I appreciate you guys taking time with their day to watch me and watch the video. With that being said, let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, so these dropped a few days ago exclusively through the Nike sneakers app. I actually reached out for these, but I caught the L. My wife actually reached out for them as well, and she actually got the W, and she was able to get through. I think my wife low-key becoming a hype beast, but resale on these are lit right now, and I'm glad we were able to scoop these up. So let's open the box and see what we got. Shout out to all the AT aliens and all of the supporters. As always, I appreciate you guys. Happy and just blessed to be able to make it another year. First and foremost, we got that receipt from the receipt police. These came directly from Nike.com, so keep hating, bitch. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I love the Jordan brand hit this sneaker with the specialty box. It just gives you that whole vintage feel and take you back to the origin of what Jordan brand once was. But the official name on these sneakers is the Women's Air Jordan 8 Retro V-Day, and the color is Gem Red, Emerald Glow, Team Red, Rogue Gem. And the suggested retail price is $190, guys. This is the Air Jordan 8 Valentine's Day. Let's take a look at the inside. So as soon as we open the box up, we noticed you got the rose petals on your paper, and you have a note in the inside. It's a heart with the Jordan brand emblem in the middle, and on the back it says love. As we get rid of this paper, I love Jordan brand's attention to detail with this packaging. Salute to you guys. As we open it up, each shoe is individually wrapped, so we'll just take one out. And as we unwrap it, this is the Air Jordan 8 Valentine's Day. You have a premium red suede upper, you have that heart and that Jordan brand emblem on your tongue. You got that all red midsole, all red outsole, and you have hits of red and slight pink throughout the sneaker as well. This is just a clean retro Air Jordan 8, something for the ladies. This was exclusively for women only, pretty much only GS sizes. And Jordan brand know they wrong, they did the men dirty on this, but I think this is a clean sneaker, and I could see why it would only be for women. I think the video does not do justice to this sneaker. They look a lot better in hand. That red suede feels very premium and definitely worth a cop for $190 retail. Resale was kind of lit as soon as these dropped. This is a size 9 in women. My wife cannot wear these, so these will definitely be on the market. If you're in the market to pick up a pair of these, you can hit me up, DM me on Instagram or Twitter. We can talk, and these are definitely up for sale. These sold out instantly on the Nike sneakers app, and I see why, because the quality is A1 on these. But drop your comments down below. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about these? You hate them? You love them? Would you cop? Did you pass on them? What do you guys think about these? This is the Air Jordan 8 Valentine's Day. This is a women's only release. These were in limited quantities. Resale is around $300 right now. Retail was $190, so glad my wife was able to actually get the W on these. I'm proud of Bae. She becoming hype Bae now. But This was the Air Jordan 8 Valentine's Day 8. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch me, watch the video, and bless me on my birthday. Peace and love, blessings. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. Shout out to the fam, the followers, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's Grown and I'll prove this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's Grown. I'm gone.
Whose world is this? The world is yours. The world is yours. It's mine. Whose world is this?
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.